How to log in and sign in to a Yahoo Mail account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Yahoo on your device and then tap on the sign in option you see there. You will then be led to the login portal of Yahoo, so go ahead and enter your username or your email or your mobile number in order to sign yourself in. Once you have entered the mobile number or email or username registered with Yahoo, tap on Next and you will be required to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password, and with this, if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be logged in to Yahoo successfully. So this is how you can log in and sign in to Yahoo Mail account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.